Welcome back, my dear students. In the previous class, we completed lesson 9. Today, in this session, we are learn about book exercise in lesson 10, air and water. Let's start. Dear students, take page number 134 in your science book and take your pencil. Write down the answer very neatly. First, A. Objective type questions. Roman 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, air contains dash bracket 78 percentage or 21 percentage of nitrogen. The answer is 78 percentage. Second one, the dash layer traps harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun bracket ozone or oxygen. The answer is ozone. Third one, space shuttles orbit around the earth in the dash bracket stratosphere or thermosphere. The answer is thermosphere. Next, take page number 135. Fourth one, when clean water is poured out into another container without disturbing the sediments, it is called dash bracket sedimentation or decantation. The answer is decantation. Fifth one, dash is the simplest way to purify water bracket boiling or distillation. The answer is boiling. Second Roman, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one, ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. The answer is true. Second one, thermosphere is the last layer of the Earth's atmosphere. The answer is false. Third one, soluble impurities can be removed by filtration or sedimentation. The answer is false. Fourth one, the rate of sedimentation can be increased by adding chlorine. The answer is false. Fifth one, water is purified with alum before it reaches our homes. The answer is false. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First one, which of these gases is present in highest percentage in air? Options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Argon. The answer is C. Nitrogen. Second one, which of these gases keeps burning under control? Options are A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Ozone. The answer is B. Nitrogen. Third one, which layer of the atmosphere merges with the space? The options are A. Troposphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Exosphere, D. Thermosphere. The answer is C. Exosphere. Fourth one, which of these properties of air enables us to drink from a straw? The options are A. Air has weight, B. Air occupies space, C. Air exerts pressure, D. Air supports burning. The answer is C. Air exerts pressure. Fifth one, adding which of these will help to increase the rate of sedimentation? The options are A. Salt, B. Sand, C. Chlorine, D. Alum. The answer is D. Alum. Sixth one, which of these processes would you use to remove salt dissolved in water? The options are A. Sedimentation and decantation, B. Filtration, C. Evaporation, D. Chlorination. The answer is C. Evaporation. Seventh one, which of these is the purest form of water? The options are A. Filter water, B. Decanted water, C. Boiled water, D. Distilled water. The answer is D. Distilled water. Dear students, take page number 136. Eighth one. This water is mainly used in car batteries, science experiments, and in medicines. The options are A. Boiled water, B. Distilled water, C. Rainwater, D. Seawater. The answer is B. Distilled water. Next, fourth Roman, match the columns. Column A, first one troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth one thermosphere, fifth one exosphere. In column B, A. Jet planes, B. Meteors, C. Space shuttle, D. Merges into space, E. Weather changes. First in column A, first one troposphere, match to column B, E. Weather changes. Second one, stratosphere in column A, match to column B, A. Jet planes. Third one, mesosphere in column A, match to column B, B. Meteors. Fourth one, thermosphere in column A, match to column B, C. Space shuttle. Fifth one, exosphere in column A, match to column B, D. Merges into space. B. Very short answer questions. First one, give two examples of the following. First question, give two examples of the gases present in very small amount in air. The answer is first one argon, second one helium. Second question, give two examples of the insoluble impurities in water. The answer is first one sand, second one mud. Third question, give two examples of the methods to remove soluble impurities in water. The answer is first one evaporation, second one distillation. Fourth question, give two examples of the methods to purify water at home. The answer is first one boiling, second one chlorination. Next, second, give one word for the following. First question, thick layer of air that surrounds the earth. The answer is atmosphere. Second one, small rocks that move around in space. The answer is meteors. Third one, substances that makes water unfit for use. The answer is impurities. Fourth one, addition of special chemicals to improve the rate of sedimentation. The answer is loading. Fifth one, the type of water that does not contain any impurities. The answer is distilled. Dear students, today in this session we completed book exercise in lesson 10. Write down the homework. Study book exercise fully in lesson 10. Thank you, dears.